welcome back to my channel. Happy to be back giving y'all another video, some more content, you feel me? So today, as you can see, you see these twists I have. These are short passion twists that I got in a few weeks ago, and as you can see already, it's pretty dirty. So I'm gonna take them down right quick just so y'all can see them, because they're not that bad. But only thing about these twists is that the hair is so loose that my hair starts to come out. So yeah, this is what we're looking like. And as y'all can see that dandruff, that dry scalp. So I forgot to mention that another reason that I am doing this video is mainly to show y'all how to take these out properly without cutting your hair out and without damaging anything while you're in the process of removing these twists, because we all know we don't want to cut none of our hair off. So if you want to see that, make sure you keep watching. Dried up oil, all that. So yeah, so the purpose of this video is for me ultimately to start taking down these twists and maybe even wash my hair. However, I think I could stretch my hair a little bit longer, so I'm gonna see once I take them out. But yeah, I really love these twists, so I'm gonna have to do this style again sometime soon. But yeah, right now these gotta come out because it doesn't make sense how dirty my head is right now. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can keep getting my content. Also turn on your post notification bell so that you get notified when I post another video, because honestly, if you're just subscribing, then it might pop up on your page, but I don't know. So yeah, make sure you do that before you continue watching this video. So the only thing that I need right now are a pair of shears. These scissors, they are very sharp, but the good thing about this is that I have rubber bands on the ends, and my aunt made sure to make sure the rubber band was on top of my hair, so I won't be cutting any of my hair if I accidentally cut higher than I'm supposed to. So yeah, let's start taking these out. Okay guys, so I have under half of my head done now. Well, taking rubber bands out at the root anyways. So it's not taking too long because I literally just have to stick the scissors. Oh dang, that one's tight for real. So you gotta watch out for the ones that's tight. But it's not taking too long because I'm just trying to get the scissors in here without hurting myself. Drop the scissors. Alright guys, so all the twists on the bottom, the rubber bands are taken out. So now I'm just gonna go through and take out the actual twist. Put this in a ponytail right quick. I wonder, should I have, nah, I'm gonna wait. I was just thinking that maybe I should have like cut the rubber band out from the root, but I'm not gonna do that and mess around and cut my hair off. Then we're gonna be looking crazy. Crazy. So yeah, this is pretty simple. At the root, it is like crocheted behind the rubber band. So I gotta get that out. Gotta get the loop out. Hey guys, so I have about this much left to take out. I've taken this part and this part out, and y'all, when I tell y'all, it's so weird because this hair closely resembles my hair in a twist form. Like, I'm sitting up here trying to pull the crochet out. I'm thinking that part's still my hair, but yeah, so it so resembles it so closely. So I gotta be careful how I pull it. But yeah, so we just got this little section to take out now, and then I gotta focus on the rubber bands. So yeah. So this is what I mean. This is what I mean. So when I took my hair out, it closely resembles my hair. So I did like this. Look at that. That looks just like my hair when I take it apart. Just like my hair. Alright, so I'm close up right now because I'm about to show y'all how you properly take these out without like messing your own hair up. So let me move this back out the way so y'all can see. So I'm gonna take this twist down. Just like that, so you can see where it is like between the rubber band and my hair. So what I do is I like shift it a little bit so I can start kind of making my hair loosen from the actual weave. So then I pull it some more, and you can kind of see the other side loosening up. I can see where my hair is. I pull it apart, and I just pull the weave right out. So you got some like straggling pieces left behind. Be careful of those, because they will get tangled in your hair. Yeah, this type of hair really holds on to your hair. So like this, is this my hair? Bro, that's my hair. See, this is what I was saying. It looks just like my hair. That's so crazy. But that is why I like it at the same time. So yeah, that's how I do it. I hope y'all can see this. This is how dirty my scalp is. So I took the rubber bands out. My hair is so dirty, bro. This is why I cannot go 1 week without washing my hair, or a week and a half, because if I do, then this is what it looks like, or that's what my scalp look like anyway. But yeah, I was like, why my head itching? I'm just scratching, about to scratch a hole in my head. But yeah, it's so dirty. So the next thing I'm about to do is deep condition my hair, because I want my hair to be, treated before I go back to school and everything. Get all this shedding out. Not even shedding, this is like the hair from the weave. Honestly though, y'all cannot tell me that this couldn't have been a hairstyle if my scalp wasn't so dirty. Like, this would have been a nice little twist out or whatever. But yeah, so like I said, today I just wanted to show y'all how to properly remove passion twists without damaging your hair. I managed not to cut any of my hair, which is good, because one time I actually cut my hair before, but this was like a long time ago when I was first growing it out. Like it was a part in the front too. I think I cut somewhere over here. I cut. Y'all, don't be the person to cut your hair. You're gonna be so mad because you can't blame nobody but yourself. But anyway, if you like this content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you can keep getting my content. And I'll check y'all in the next video.